You know, it'd be better to go with this shot. Ice. I don't have ice. Why don't I have ice? Because I changed the ice maker. But guess what? That's the second one. And yes, the switch is off, but that's not why that doesn't work. You know why that doesn't work? You want to know why that doesn't work? Because thanks to the brilliant engineers of these refrigerators. Look at that. Look at that right there. Well, look at that. We got some broken wires. That's supposed to be going up this door, feeding into this ice maker, and telling this machine to make me ice. So guess what? That's the second one I bought. So now, this is gonna be fun. Alright, we need some wires. Oh, looky here. Wires. Perfect. Alright, here we go. We got our tools. Wire, cutter, electrical tape, heat shrink, soldering iron, pure cancer-causing lead because that's only the good shit, more wire, screwdriver, and cleaner. And the reason I'm taking this panel off, I need to get as much wire to work with as I can, even though I'm soldering on extra wire. If you put the door straight out, boom, it comes off. Yeah, there you go. Time for another shot. Nice, warm, no ice shot. So in theory, this is a simple job, right? Just take your wires that are broken, solder them together, and boom, you got a working refrigerator ice maker. Well, trick is getting to it. Okay. All right, come on. There you go. Oh, look at that. So this right here, this bought me a little more room to work with. I'll show you. It goes up like this, right? I just pop it out. You know, you do too much here and it breaks again. Well, guess what? Now you got even less wire to work with. These crippers right here, oh man, they are amazing. Only keep them used, don't ever use them not on wire. The stripping part of it, like right here, look at this. Butter, like absolute butter. And look, it does not have to be long at all. Look how much wire I need, right? And that's just safe. And that's not me trying to do this move, because why try to push them back together? That's just not gonna work. This is a little tricky, but we're gonna drop some solder right here. Heat shrink absorbing. So many choices. Let's go with these guys. And right there, my friend, is a good reason to always tin your wires before you solder. Man, because when you put heat to it, it acts like glue. And you don't have to sit there and fight reheating the wire. Okay. All right. Last wire. Make sure we bend it the right way. There we go. So I can do that maneuver. It is on. Awesome. Look at that. That's all 3 wires right there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to tape it. The sensor. So now it thinks the door's shut, right? Let's go ahead and plug this back in. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. And then we're going to flip the little magic switch on. I hear noises and I see movement. Yeah, I don't know how long that's going to last, but and I am done with this. Thanks for watching another Ronnie Riggs episode of This Is What I Do. Ooh, time for another shot. Celebratory shot. Alright, check it out. We have ice. Sure enough, broken wire on the door. That's all that was broken. And it's fixed. This is my refrigerator, Kenmore Coldspot, model number 106.517695511. However, this particular problem is not this only problem to this refrigerator. Apparently, the freezer door is an issue with the wires that come into the door at the bottom like that. So just be mindful. This is not this particular fridge's fault. There's a lot of refrigerators with this problem.